Welcome, fellow artistes. This week I'm going to show you how to draw one of my favorite doodles, the drunk fish. Basic and easy. Let's do it. Circle for the eye, and the other eye. Inebriated pupils facing outward in different directions to show disorientation. Lines or bags under the eyes, half circle nose with a cartoon tongue, Simpson style. Body shaped roughly like a peanut. For the tail and fins, I'm drawing simple angled spines, and then I'll connect them with webbing. Five spines each. I'll angle the gills like boomerangs to show the fish's three-dimensional form. You can then clean up any gaps, fix line width, shade in some of the darker areas for contrast. Many types of fins are slightly transparent, so some of the underlying line might show through. We'll add in a few bubbles, and you'll be ready to show your friends. Do fish belch like humans when they're drunk? Yep, they do. And there you have it, the drunk fish. And on a side note, I've started oil painting again, so more on that to come. As always, like, share, subscribe, and keep practicing. Thanks for drawing it with me. Ciao.